this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration using our watercolour card and paints today. So first of all we're going to just put a wash over the background, so we're just soaking that card in the water. And this just means that the paints will just flood into each other, giving you a really nice effect. Okay, so I'm going to go with some yellow. And I'm going to go with some blue. I'm going to change my paintbrush and we're going to just add a little bit of blue and just let that do its own thing. And then we're going to go in with some grey at the bottom here. And a little at the top. So just basically get some colour on and around. And as you know, the watercolour paints always dry very differently to how you see that now. Going to add a little bit more blue. So I'm going to let that dry. Okay, so that's nice and dry now and we can stamp onto that. So I'm going to be using the Twilight and the Nocturne to stamp with. And we're going to start with our lovely tree. Now if you haven't got this tree, don't worry, you can use any trees that you have. It doesn't have to be specifically this one. So I'm inking this up now in the Twilight. And I'm just going to pop that down just on the edge. Like so. And then we've got some little houses here, and I'm going to ink these up in the Nocturne. So placing that next to the tree, pop that down, let it rest a while, remembering this is watercolour cards, so it needs to be placed a little bit longer on the card, just so that the ink can absorb into it. It's a slightly more textured card than the multifarious. And this is one of our other little houses. I'm going to place that next to it. And then our last one, which is our smallest one, just on the end here. So I've got a paintbrush here and I'm going back to my watercolours and I'm just going to draw a line just to ground everything, and then add the water, and that will just bleed nicely down like so. So next thing, we're going to pop a moon in the sky. So I'm using the pan pastels. This is the white. And then using the Poscas, I'm just going to dot a few little stars around, and it really does stand out against that dark background. I think that looks really effective. And I'm just dotting a yellow in the windows of our little houses. So it looks like somebody is at home. So, do we need any glitter? No, I think I'm actually going to finish it there. I've got a piece of card that I'm going to mount our make onto. So let's just glue the background. Making sure that you've got a nice even border. And we'll just pop that down like so. And there we have our lovely tag or bookmark. It's just a nice, easy way of being creative. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's demo, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. You take care, and we'll see you real soon.